had a crush on one of her classmates. Lemmy is reading, CJ is quietly writing, Alden is fixing his things, Danica keeps glancing at CJ and smiling.
Hey, she who threw that?
Danica, stop that. Class is about to start.
She secretly looked at CJ to see his reaction. Miss Maria enters the room.
Good morning, class. Good morning. Please be seated. Why is there noisy already? Who's that?
Mom, someone threw paper at me.
Who's that? Mom, not Danica, Mom. Danica, stand up. I'm really sorry, Mom.
The truth comes out.
Danica, please stand up. This behavior is not acceptable. Why do you keep doing this?
Danica hesitates, Lani gently nudges her.
Danica, just tell the truth.
I just wanted CJ to notice me.
There are better ways to get someone's attention than causing trouble.
I understand, Mom. I'm sorry.
Tomorrow, you will lead the activity. Show us you can be responsible.
Yes, Mom, I do my best.
Okay, class, dismiss.
After school, Danica reflected on her action. She realized that being mischievous was not the right way to express her feelings. The next day, Danica approaches CJ properly.
Hi, CJ. Can I sit? Can I sit beside you?
It is.
Can we study together?
Isa, matter na din kiss.
Huh?
Okay.
Kisa.
From that day on, Danica began to change. She remained cheerful, but she learned to express herself in a respectful and kind way. Sometimes, the best way to be noticed is simply by being kind. The end. Thank you.
Yes.